As newly elected MPs gather for the first day of 18th Lok Sabha session, women folk of Khwairamband Ima Kaithel today took out a protest against any attempt to grant separate administration or against any attempt to arrest village volunteers. They also expressed their hopes from the two newly elected Lok Sabha MPs from Manipur to raise their voices about Manipur crisis. The protest was organized by Khwairamband Ima Kaithel Coordinating Committee. Police stopped the protesters in front of Congress Bhavan as they tried to proceed towards Raj Bhavan and Chief Minister's bungalow. After returning to Khwairamband Market, women continued their protest till 12:30 p.m. Speaking on the sidelines, co-convener of Khwairamband Ima Kaithel Coordinating Committee, Huidrom Binodini, demanded the two MPs from Manipur to bring up the issue of Manipur in the ongoing Lok Sabha session. She said village volunteers sprang up in the state as government failed to protect the lives and properties of civilians. Therefore, government must provide amnesty to village volunteers. While vehemently opposing the demand of separate administration, Binodini said people in the state are against any attempt to break Manipur. She also urged government to bring a solution to the ongoing crisis.
Kamana terrorist no, kamana terrorist na tabano haibasu jana khangdok pibam thoi kun ngai bai cha singbu kari gi damakta phaga dabano state government na nga ka daba thabak tu ngamda dana isa sing na nga pathoda kari gi cha singbi phaba khudu khulai lokhatpa machi puna ma che mama oibi singgi thamoi da yamna soi sungya ya jaminde aduna Akoina Hanna, no Polo Hajadi, Madudi, Toiba Kado, Manipur, Tugana Vasiliba, Central Government, Policia, Manipur di Praja, Kabanang Paguna, Loy Kagabani, Mayamasina, Manipur Deliba, Tumit Kang Bangna, separate administration, Piva Habache, Suya Yaroi, Hawaii, Kaiba to Tadani, Hanna, Mananasi, Lepodani.